Best 4 tools to improve your coding skills. Frontend Mentor. Frontend Mentor is a free platform that helps developers improve their coding skills by providing challenges that simulate real-world workflows. Developers earn a mentor score that indicates their reputation on the platform. Earning more points can increase a developer's exposure and get them on the wall of fame. CSS Battle. The objective of the CSS Battle game is to write HTML CSS to replicate the given target image in the least code possible. Start coding in the editor area on the left. As you start typing, the output area in the middle will start rendering your code. Code Wars. In Code Wars, users complete coding challenges called kata to train their skills in various programming languages. Users can compete against their peers, friends, and colleagues. Users can examine the solutions of others and learn from them. Popular solutions are labeled as best practice. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a school for web developers, covering all the aspects of web development: HTML tutorial, CSS tutorial, JavaScript tutorial, and many more. It offers thorough training and coding examples to assist both professionals and beginners in learning and practicing web development.